Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Moto, and today I have something very different product from Panasonic. So it is cordless phone receiver. So you can see this is the box of this Panasonic phone, and the image is already shown over here. So I'm just going to unbox this product. So first of all, I like to give you the price review and specification of this device. So it is made by Panasonic, and this can be used as a broadband. You can connect it in your router to receive phone calls if you are using Wi-Fi connection in your phone, right? So this is you will get it around 1900 to 2100 price bracket. So let's have a look on the product first, what you are getting inside the box. So you can see this is the packaging of this device, and at the very top you can see this is placed, which is basically a receiver. And apart from this receiver, what all you're getting in this is this paperwork you can see here, which is of no use. And this is basically a charger, and this unit will directly connect to your router to receive a call, right? And apart from that, you are getting two cables over here. This is the adapter by which you will be charging this holder, this phone cord holder. I'll connect these things and show you how you will be using this. So this is the cable by which you will be connecting your device with your phone to receive phone calls, right? So basically this is adapter to charge this device, and this is a cable which you will be connecting to your router, right? Okay, so first of all, you can see how you need to connect this device to this bracket. So here is the unit. You can see clearly. You will plug this particular part in this way, right? And now it's ready to charge. You can plug it directly in your socket to charge this device. And this is a cable. In one unit you will insert in this bracket. So now you can just connect it to your router. This this side unit will go in router. So this is how you will be setting it up, and now it's ready to use. You can see as ever you will put this unit in this bracket, it will automatically charge, and as well as it will behave very similar to landline device what you usually use, which is cord device, right? So it's a cordless. You can see device itself, it's looking very gorgeous. At the very top it is a speaker. This is a very small tiny display in which you will be getting the numbers of your caller, and this is button by which you will be dialing, and this is to cut the call. And here the numbers, it is very handy. Even the people who are older age, then they can also use it in a proper way. Okay, right? So this is two brackets you can see at the very bottom. Actually, whenever you will insert this bracket in this cord, it will charge with the help of these two sockets what you are able to see at the bottom, right? And apart from that, at the back side it's totally clean. When you will open this particular bracket, there are two batteries which are of brand Panasonic itself. It is a rechargeable battery. You don't need to purchase again and again from market to use this device. So overall, I'll say it is very useful product if you are using only one feature. Suppose if you are using Geo Fiber or BSNL fiber optical cable in your house, definitely this can be a very useful product, because most of the people are just using internet with the help of router. They are not taking benefit of this call, which usually they get unlimited call in these fiber optics connections. So you should definitely buy this product as well if you have router connection in your house. I hope it was quite informative video, and if you really like this video, please hit like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel for future video. Thanks for watching video. Really signing off. See you in the next